Let's make our Parmesan croutons for the wrap. Now we're gonna make these small enough, very bite-sized, so when we wrap it with the chicken and the lettuce and the dressing, each bite will have a little bit of crunch in there, and that comes from these croutons. So I'm using a day-old baguette here. Perfect for crouton making. Right into a sheet pan here. Shake it, even it out. Stream some olive oil in there. You can do the thumb deal, because we are keeping it light. I don't want to put too much on here. Some grated Parmesan cheese, making it rain, like a Tuscan sun shower. Salt and pepper, to taste, just a little bit. All right, these go in the oven at 375 for about 15 minutes till they're golden brown. So these are gonna go great in our chicken Caesar wrap, which I have my chicken right here. It has been marinating all night in olive oil, lemon juice, lemon zest, and just garlic, keeping it healthy and lean. We got my grill pan nice and hot. Want to develop some color on that, but make sure it cooks all the way through. It's already smelling great in here. We didn't use any salt or pepper in our marinade, so now we can season the exterior directly. And these will go about 12 minutes aside, so there's no more pink in the center. Or at about 165, 170 on your instant read thermometer. Let's make the sour cream Caesar dressing. All right, so let's start with a cup of low-fat sour cream. Next, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard for that extra special tang. Another must ingredient to have in any Caesar is Parmesan. So we'll do about 2 tablespoons of this, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire. Right, gives that nice meaty quality to your Caesar. I love me some Worcestershire. Let's do 1 whole garlic clove, zested right in there. The juice from a half a lemon. All right, did you hear that? It's starting to change noise. That means it's time to do fancy turns. There we go. Perfect, see? One last ingredient to my sour cream Caesar is an anchovy. Don't be scared. When I put this anchovy in there, you're not gonna really taste fishiness. You're not gonna taste the anchovy. But if I didn't put it in there, you'll definitely taste that something is missing in the Caesar. So we're just gonna mash it with the fork, put it right in there. We can get all this incorporated. Now that's perfect. That's what I'm talking about, see? Still dripping juice, we weren't prodding it. Now we can flip it. Oh yeah. All right, our grilled chicken has a chance to rest. Slice it nice and thin. Look at that, perfectly cooked, juicy. Very good. Oh man, smoky, lemony, little garlicky. Let's use romaine, it's the obvious choice for any good Caesar. We cut ours a little smaller here, bite-sized pieces. Some quartered cherry tomatoes. Don't forget our croutons. And of course, our homemade sour cream Caesar. Nice and light, but very, very flavorful. Now, Caesar salad is like the one wrap I like to combine all the ingredients first and then put it in the wrap just to make sure every crouton, every piece of chicken, every tomato, every little shred of lettuce has a bit of love from that sour cream Caesar on it. I like the element of fresh, sun-dried tomato tortillas combined with the Caesar, plus the beautiful color. It's like a full moon, and I'm changing into a werewolf. There we go. Now we can take our tossed salad, put it right in the middle, make sure we get some croutons, some tomatoes, evenly spread across. Don't overstuff this, and if this is your first time doing a wrap, start small, all right? Get the mechanics of wrapping a sandwich. Sides go in first. Then we do the double thumb turnover toppage method. Now this is the tricky part. You wanna keep it tight, and then with your little pinky fingers, kind of get those in there, you see? Tightly roll, and leave right there. That's a wrap. There's nothing heavy in it. The chicken's very tender, and I taste the lemon and the Parmesan, even that little bit of anchovy in our sour cream Caesar.